Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking for a reliable and portable roll top table, then you're going to want to check out this hybrid bamboo aluminum roll top table from Mountain Summit Gear. Some of my favorite ways to use this is to use it at the beach or the lake. Anytime I'm on the go, I love that we can just pop this into the car. It's very easy to break down and very easy to assemble. We love that this table is adjustable. When we set this up, it comes to about my hip. I'm 5'3", and you can see it here. When we adjust it to the full height with its extendable legs, it comes to about my midsection. I love the bamboo on the edges. It gives it that sleek look, but the rounded edges ensures that you won't scratch yourself or hurt yourself on the corners. This table does come with a carrying case, which makes it very easy to transport. Assembly is very easy. One person can easily assemble this. This would make a great table for camping, for tailgating, for beach days, or anytime you need a convenience of a table. One of our favorite things about using this table is that it keeps things off the ground and free from any dirt or debris. This roll top table exceeded our expectations. It was super easy to set up, it's super reliable, and it's super convenient. I love this table and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.